Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushmita. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most commonly used dental cement in dentistry, which is zinc oxide powder and pure eugenol by Waldent. So let's discuss all about this product. Waldent Zinc Oxide Powder is an arsenic-free extra pure zinc powder, and Waldent Pure Eugenol is an obtundant used as a powerful desensitizing agent for dentine and is used with zinc oxide powder. Composition of Waldent Zinc Oxide Powder is zinc oxide, white rosin, zinc stearate and zinc acetate. Zinc Oxide Eugenol is used as a temporary filling in intermediate restorations. Waldent Zinc Oxide Powder is mixed with Waldent Pure Eugenol for temporary cementation of crown and bridges. It is used as an ideal cavity liner and base under non-composite dental restorations. It is used as a medicated pack for relieving acute pain and for promoting healing in dry socket cases and in periodontal surgeries. Eugenol and zinc oxide paste is contraindicated for direct pulp capping. Zinc oxide eugenol cements should be used with caution under resin-based composite restorations because the eugenol can inhibit the polymerization of the resin. It should be avoided in patients with known hypersensitivity or severe allergic reaction to eugenol. Waldent Zinc Oxide Powder is pure and arsenic-free. Zinc oxide eugenol is bacteriostatic, antiseptic and is well tolerated by patients. It is considered biocompatible as it has neutral pH. A cool glass slab, cement mixing spatula and a cement carrier. Take approx quantity of Waldent Zinc Oxide Powder on a cool glass slab and make increments. Now take appropriate quantity of Waldent Pure Eugenol. Incorporate large quantity of zinc oxide powder into eugenol and mix in circular motion. This creamy smooth consistency is luting consistency. And if we add more powder into the creamy consistency, we will achieve putty consistency or base consistency. The putty or base consistency is achieved when the cement rolls over the glass slab without sticking. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.